Yes, good YouTube. Market just opened. We swept out these lows, 1 hour low. Yeah, swept out this low. There's some low resistance liquidity on ES right here. We're kind of chilling because if we're gonna go continue higher, which I doubt after, Iran not being able to get their act together, being able to sign the non-nuclear deal, the market's gonna be bearish because of that. I am trading on my funded account, just making sure that it's logged in. Let's see what's going on a higher time frame. Didn't break structure. Didn't break structure. No, we did on Nasdaq, but not ES. Break structure on the 30-minute. Pretty sure we invested gap to the downside on, yeah, we did on the ES, we did. Nasdaq we haven't yet. We still got 28 minutes before that 4-hour candlestick closes. So if we invest that 4-hour gap on Nasdaq, then I think my bias is pretty set. We'll see if we can find a trade before 10 o'clock though. But there's no rush, of course. Never no rush. There's FOMC today, so there's a possibility for sure that I won't take a trade today if we're just consolidating like yesterday. We're just staying between a set price range. So if we only sweep out these draws during New York session, then I don't wanna take a trade. We'll see what we do after sweeping out the 1-hour lows. We did it on Trade View. (15-minute) we're bearish. 4-hour we're bearish. Even on the 1-hour we're a little bit bullish because we no, we didn't, never mind. We didn't break structure to the upside, so we're just, all I'm seeing is just bearish confluences on the higher time frame, which definitely does develop that bearish bias for the day. And the high and this news here kind of set it up. Set it 5 hours ago, so ain't gonna put up with no more. Ain't gonna put up with you no more. Break structure to the downside. No. If we are going to continue lower, I'd look for a retracement all the way up here though. Okay, so we're either retracing or we may continue higher. Would have to invest this top gap here though. I think we're gonna, like, honestly, I really think we're gonna sweep out these low resistance draws. ES is for sure closer. Alright, so hopefully we get clean, cool, awesome price action today where both indexes are showing the same thing. Break structure downwards, retrace the equilibrium, and then more selling power to the downside on a 1 minute time frame to target these at low resistance draws on liquidity. If we are retracing and we are going to continue lower, I don't see why price won't just sweep out these, at least these three lows. But we have to wait a little bit because we're not on equal. Oh, Nasdaq is at equilibrium, but that's low-key expected. It's expected that Nasdaq will hit equilibrium first since it's the more bullish index. And we know that because on ES I saw on the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour, we inverse gap, but Nasdaq didn't. So if we're looking for shorts, we're definitely taking it on the ES. Not only because it's closer to these next targets and liquidity, but also because it has more selling power. Boom, free ball knowledge. Alright, so we break structure upwards on 1 minute to confirm that retracement. It's a bit early into market open, so I wouldn't even look for a trade even if we inverse this gap here. Even if we see a break structure on the ES and an inverse gap on Nasdaq, I won't take a trade because it's too early into market open. Like 9:40 the earliest, I'll take a trade. 9:45 is the sweet spot. 9:50 is good too. Anything more than 10:30, 10:45 max is it's kind of shit. I want the 5-minute candlestick close. Hopefully when the 5-minute candlestick closes, it closes like up here and then we peak into this fair value gap, because that would further my setup. I'll further confirm my setup of a bearish price action. Hmm. 5-minute candlestick close. And we're in the gap on Nasdaq. ES needs to tap into that gap, bro. Where is the music? The fuck? Might tap into that gap soon on ES. No high impact news in the AM session, but the PM session is FOMC, but we'll see if it's... Because right now it's looking like, market's looking good, like, it's looking clean. If we create an upwards candle, we created a higher low, which means it's going to be easier for us to break structure. Alright, boom. I wouldn't mind an up candle here because that creates a higher low. It looks like this was just a sweep. Alright, I see the 5-minute candle. Would have to invest this gap up here if we're actually looking for bullish price action, but I don't think we will be. I won't lie. Could wait for Nasdaq to break structure. Even if we do on the ES, we have to do. Damn, that's so unlucky. Nasdaq on a 1 minute. See if it actually breaks structure or not. Nah, it didn't. Unlucky. No worries. Just might have to wait a little bit longer. Five-minute candlestick's about to close. Create a lower low. It's not ideal for break structure on the 1 minute. Oh, perfect setup. Still have to wait. If we break structure now, then I think it's kind of a no-brainer to short on ES. But I just gotta keep an eye on Nasdaq. If anything, I'll have to take a 1-to-1 trade because I don't want to go all the way up here, bro. Now we'll not. We'll do that, and then we'll take a 1-to-1. Kunta Kinte. Okay, so Nasdaq can sweep out those 1-minute highs, hopefully before continuing lower. I don't think we'll leave these low resistance straws on liquidity. I don't think we'll leave them out. I think we'll sweep them out. Not gonna lie. So what Nasdaq is doing. Damn, I'm kind of feeling this song. We definitely took the trade on the right index. Okay. I mean, that 4-hour candlestick closes in about 10 minutes. Surely we are not going higher. Damn, I'm down bad. Well, Thank God. We need a reverse, we need a dump now. What did we even do during that entire thing? We came up to sweep out like 1 minute highs, man, that's it. I mean, if that's what it takes for us to reverse, then sure. Damn, I feel like we're not gonna reverse now. My stop loss gets hit. Okay, doja candle. $30 minutes ago, White House. We have a gap here on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the more bullish index, so if we inverse it, that's a dub. Would be pretty cool if we did. We inversed it. I'm so surprised now ES didn't invest that gap. That's the more... Oh, fuck. Damn. That's annoying. Alright, move on. Sure, that trade didn't go well. But we move on. Alright, so we made break structure to the upside. Damn, that's annoying because should have seen that coming. No stress. The dollar amount does not get to me at all. I think I had a bit of FOMO there because I thought we were gonna sweep out these lows for sure. After breaking structure on both indexes, even when ES didn't have a proper retracement. ES didn't have a proper retracement and I had FOMO. Oh well. Alright, cool. Shit doesn't matter anymore. It's in the past. Okay. So now we're about to break structure to the upside on both indexes. Yep. We didn't end up breaking structure to the upside on the ES, but we did on Nasdaq. Now on Nasdaq we're looking for a retracement. It's not a danger candle. Remember, bias is still bearish. I won't even lie. That's what it shows on a high time frame. But if we get a break structure to the upside, retracement, buying power, then that's a long on Nasdaq. Let's get a break structure on ES here. That's if we're gonna continue higher. We still got a minute before that 5-minute candlestick closes. "45 seconds. Alright, so we do get a break structure. Cool. Now we can look for a retracement. And we tapped into the gap on both indexes. Well, I mean, my strategy says, you know, if we break structure to the upside here, we should be taking longs on Nasdaq. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we invest that 5-minute gap. Wouldn't be surprised if we just dumped right through it. And we start looking for... Now we're gonna have to look for 2 setups for both ways. We're in equilibrium on both indexes. Now if we see buying power, break structure and a break structure on both indexes, then we can take a long on Nasdaq. Okay, we invest the gap on ES. It's crazy. I'm not even lie. Because ES is supposed to be the more bearish index, and we inverse it to the upside, but not Nasdaq, which is the more bullish index. Shit's cray cray. If we inverse this 5-minute gap, I'm going short. Still looking good for longs. Because we break structure, retrace, see one minute buying power to the upside. Just fucking around at a minute. Oh, bro, I'm kind of forced to buy now, aren't I? Yeah, damn. That's my daily loss limit for... I funded. That's not cool. I kind of have to buy because my strategy did show itself. I'm literally forced to buy. My stop losses, I mean my take profit's going to be up here. My stop loss is going to be below the second low, which is going to be right here. If we lose this, I'm done, for sure. Okay, that was close. Probably gonna go. Better just hurry up and do something. And swapped out. Damn, bro, what a shit day. Holy fuck.
Took out the trip.
Nah, I'm done. See you, see you stream.